sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday.
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday celebration. Party night, could feel the vibration. Lights are bright, we're feeling alright. We're dancing till the morning light. Happy birthday celebration. Everybody get the temptation. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels
Sing
right.
happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday.
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together.
Happy birthday to you.
It's a perfect motivation. Feel the vibe, enjoy the fascination. All your friends are here tonight. Happy anniversary, we hold you tight.
Hi Varun, a very happy birthday to you. I loved gossiping with you and fighting with you and learning from you and working with you. Hope to see you soon. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy. A very happy birthday. Hey Pagal, happy birthday. Soil wouldn't be the same without you. You have been there with me in literally everything. We have done our life project together, our SIP together, our finance projects together. I really miss all those things. I miss our pizza. I miss our biryani. I miss our mutton in the dhaba. I miss you a lot. Thank you for being such a wonderful friend. Thank you for being the best project partner. You have been one of the wonderful person I've ever met in my life. The most genuine, one of the wonderful person. Miss your aloo bina samosa in breakfast in Soil. So yeah, Soil journey wouldn't be the same without you. I mean, thank you for all the memories. I hope we can, meet again and have those time again. Stay happy. Happy birthday. Stay blessed. Stay healthy. घर का खाना खा रहा है बिना आलू खुश रहा है पागल. चल happy birthday. Really miss you. Stay happy. Bye.
Many more happy returns of the day, Suru. Without your company, my 1 year journey will not be so smooth there. I had a lot of fun with you. In PGs, I spent most of the time with you. You are one of the savior for us because there are a lot of days where we could not able to eat the PG food, but you had a lot of patience and selflessly you had feed us. I always have the gratitude for that. From the heart, you are a great soul who always wants to help others, irrespective to the person and irrespective to the situation. I wish you all the success in your career. Sooner or later, you will join the new gen and have a wonderful life there. Coming to Varun, you are a nice person. I like your calm and composed nature. The most common thing in you both is you people are not stressed out to the situations. You put all your efforts and work hard, and I never have seen you people criticizing about someone. That is the most wonderful nature you both have. I wish you all the success in your career and your personal life. Stay blessed and stay safe. Thank you.
Hi Surum, wish you many happy returns of the day. the finance topper, and you know that we both became friends in such a small span of time. But yeah, really I miss those days of lockdown where we both used to have dinner at 8 o'clock and again have something in the night around 2 a.m. And also I would like to say you that I really miss your cookings, whatever you used to make, like punugulu and chicken. Okay, so let's hope we'll meet soon again, and wish you a many happy returns of the day once again.
హాయ్ సురు, మెనీ మోర్ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే. చాలా రోజులైంది మనం కలిసి చూసుకొని. సో ఐ లిటరలీ మిస్ యూ ఫర్ ద వే యూ కీప్ ఆన్ అడ్వైజింగ్ ద షిట్ ఐ డూ. అండ్ ఎనీవే, విల్ సీ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద డే. హోప్ఫుల్లీ నీ మ్యారేజ్గా చూస్తాం అనుకుంటా. పెద్ద అయినా అందరినీ చూసి చాలా రోజులైంది కదా. హోప్ విల్ మీట్ సమ్ డే. వన్స్ అగైన్ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. బాయ్.
Happy birthday, Varun and Suru. Dude, I'm just wondering how come you guys share the same birthday, because दोनों में ज़मीन और आसमान का फ़र्क है. Don't worry, I'm not going to tell कौन ज़मीन कौन आसमान, क्योंकि आप दोनों ही हमारे दिलों में हैं. Suru, we do miss your lemon rice a lot. And besides that, I miss your smile every morning saying Rachita, Utpam ho gaya, and wishing me good morning. Miss your cheerful smile and lots of love. And Suru, thank you so much for taking all of our tantrums, because you don't have one for sure. Love ya. And now coming to Varun, my go-to person in every situation. Thank you for always understanding me, Varun, listening patiently and being there. And besides that, thank you for making me laugh a lot. So Varun, and it's incredible the way you link it with astrology. Obviously, it's fun also, and it's lovely too. Hope to see you soon. Lots of love, and I wish I could dance. Love ya.
Hi Suru, wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you're doing fine back home, and we miss you. And I really wish that we could celebrate your birthday here together. In fact, both yours and Varun's. And to you, I always wish a lot of success and happiness. And I'm 100% sure you're going to excel in whatever you do. And with you, I feel a very special connect, because I see a lot of similarities in the two of us. First is our punctuality. Second, that we are very regular. Third, we are very serious about what we are doing. And fourth, and the most important one, our passion for lemon rice. Yours cooking and mine is eating. So I miss your lemon rice a lot. In fact, I miss all that you cook. So I hope we get to meet soon, party soon. You cook a lot, I eat a lot. And apart from that, a really happy birthday to you. And I wish you all the very best, and hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye. Hi Varun, wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you're doing fine. And even though I have to admit that I liked your last birthday celebration better, where I just moved into the PG and we were partying, drinking, dropping people home late at night, coming back, dancing, drinking, singing again. And so that kind of celebration is due. And in fact, many birthday celebrations are due. But in the meantime, I wish you all the happiness, success, and the best in whatever you do. And I know you're going to do very well wherever you go, whatever you do. And there is one endearing quality that you have that I really admire in you, is that you are always there for your friends. I've always seen you smiling, and I have never seen you having a dull moment like most of us had. So in fact, you've always been there to cheer us up. You've always been there to reach out to us. And so that makes you a really special and a very dependable friend. And so in fact, the conversations that we used to have over coffee, and a lot of gossiping about college people, and and in our life in general. So I miss those times, and I hope we can get to meet sometime soon, and pour our hearts out. And but again, I really appreciate that the kind of friend that you've been. You are always the first one to reach out to anyone who is in trouble. So the two great legends, Suru and Varun, you people are really really special, and I wish you both a very very happy life. And I hope we have a great friendship ahead. So have fun, and we'll see you soon. Happy birthday once again. Bye.
Hi Suru, happy birthday. How's things in Hyderabad? Our two legends are born on the same day of our group. Both are finance enthusiasts. Where should I start with you? So again, you were the person who made me laugh in the orientation itself, and you know why that word is, it's still ringing in my ears. You are such a pure person, and what I love about you, Suru, is तुम्हारे में कोई ये नहीं है कि you don't have any differentiation factor, yeah. You don't have that, that comfort zone wala thing. You are so comfortable with everything. You want to try new things. I remember Macha having their own gang, and others having their own gang, but you were the person that made sure you came in a table which had only North Indians, like proper Delhi Gurgaon wale, and you were so you mingled so easily with us, and we never thought that you were someone else, or you were someone, you were so comfortable. At the same time, उसी टेबल पे बैठ के जब हम लोग सिर्फ बातें करते थे, you had your focused on कि मैं पढ़ने आया हूँ and I am here to make my career. You can focus so nicely, be it anything, like not necessarily your own subjects or not necessarily you are interested in. I have seen you focused in marketing, I have seen you focused in analytics, I have seen you focused in theatre. My god, theatre was such an eye-opener and such a surprise, such a pleasant surprise to see you perform that spontaneous act. It was like, Suru yaar. So you have been, ILC mein I have seen you supporting so much and working so much. I have seen you in your SIP. Oh my god, you like so pure. Like I remember when I had put on the sanitizers that if anybody wanted, and you and Chandrama came forward and took it for your NGO. And you were not there, I told Swapnil also this, that you were not there to brag about it to anyone. Nobody, I think, many knew that you had ordered the sanitizer. That is what a pure soul is. And you do everything in silent and let your results show. So I think again that non-judgmental, तुम एकदम जज नहीं करते हो, तुम ऐसा नहीं है कि just because you don't drink or smoke, so others who are drinking or smoking, they are bad, or that's not a good habit. You have your own fundas in life, you are very clear about it, you are flexible in your own way. So I think you are a very very nice person. Like the qualities you have in it, I get inspired by it. I want to adopt some of those qualities. मुझे भी वैसे बनना है. Like in every role model like we that have the inspired leader, you were my first nomination because I've seen you working so much. I have seen you being so flexible, and I have been inspired basically by you. So on your birthday, I just want to say, Suru, just be the same. Effortlessly you inspire many people around you. You don't even realize it, but you just inspire everyone. You have been into fitness, you have inspired me in fitness, you have inspired me in being a nice person, you have inspired me for starting your outlook towards life, your thinking. I have just been so much inspired by you. Thank you for inspiring me. And I want you to inspire me the whole life. Be my friend for the whole life. And just be the same. Happy birthday. Hi Mathur. Happy birthday. तो अभी तक तो तुझे पता चल ही गया होगा कि क्या चल रहा है. So I'm not going to start again with the Khisipiti journey as story as how our journey started. I think everybody now knows how we started our journey. We obviously clicked the first time we had talked, but 1 year down the lane, where we have seen so much in this 1 year. Like that, after that 1 year, people don't even want to be acquaintance. We are carrying each other's baggage of being best friends. The journey of 1 year, I've been so comfortable with you. Like, so much so that today I'm making your birthday video just after I took a bath without any makeup on, not even my hair combed. Because obviously, Swapnil was after my life. कि जल्दी भेज. But I know I was waiting कि यार बाल सूख जाए and let me do some makeup. But then I thought it's just Varun. Like, why do I need to pretend? We have been through each other, through thick and thin, through every emotions. We have partied together, we have cried together, we have danced together, we have bitched about each other, so many people together, we have hawked together, we have been to metros together, we have irritated each other, we have got angry with each other, we have loved each other so much. So you are a blessing in disguise, that I have got such a friend in you, where there is no, what should I say, there is no parda between us. I don't have to pretend to be anyone. There is no judgment, and I think there is no there's no obligation कि तुझे यही करना है, तुझे what will he think or something. There's no filter between us, so it's such a pure relationship that we even expect from each other. People say a best relationship is where you don't expect, but I think we are such good friends that we do expect from each other, and we want to be with each other. And if that person doesn't do a thing, like if you don't do something which I want from you or I expect it, I'll really feel bad about it. And I think that's how our relationship has evolved, from being strangers to now a person whom I can't imagine my life without now. Like, I cannot imagine something happening in my life and you not knowing about it, or you not advising me, or you not, you have to be updated by everything. I have been to my UG also, I have been to my office, corporate also, and then here. But after you leave the place, you don't tend to talk to that person every day, however close you are. And that happened with me quite a number of times. But I think with you and the Being Savage team has been such strong people, just for the fact that we are so much alike. And when you, like, I can see myself in you. There are so many traits that I can see in you, and I can so much resonate with it. And that's why maybe even if we get irritated or some things we don't like, we can easily say at each other's face कि यार ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, and then ponder कि यार ऐसा तो मैं भी शायद करती हूँ, तो मुझे भी नहीं करना चाहिए. तो just on your birthday I want to say that thank you for being my friend, being the person I need always. You are literally my 3 a.m. friend, 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m, in your busiest times, in your laziest times, in your every hustle. I will always be there for you. And it's not the same, life is not the same every time. You don't get what you want always, and it may turn out not exactly like you had planned. It may turn out to be better. It may turn out some things that you never imagined, but always remember that I'm always there by your side whenever you need me. I know you are there by my side, and on this birthday, I just hope that you get all the happiness in the world, things that you want, your 9 to 5 job, your work life balance, your perfect career, your perfect family, kids you have always imagined, all the happiness to your parents, be that accurate son, that accurate friend, that accurate husband you have always wanted to be. And may God bless you with everything that you need. It's all, this is not scripted at all. I have just made it. I have not even made anything. I'm just telling on my flow, and I think 5 minutes are up and I can keep speaking. So I will just stop here, because so that people don't get bored. Others I can say you in person, and we have said it enough in those communication classes and self-leadership classes, and I don't know in soil how many times we have pondered our thoughts for each other. So I don't think I need to do any more. We know what we feel for each other, but on your birthday we had to तुम्हें स्पेशल फील कराना ही था, तो बस बोल दिया. अब उड़ना मत, नीचे आ जाओ. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Happy birthday, Suru. Many, many happy returns of the day. I know one thing for sure, that you're the most genuine person I've ever come across. And there is one unique quality that probably I have noticed, and other people might have noticed it too, but they haven't said it yet. And that is your sense of humor. Right? Your sense of humor is kind of very unique, and sometimes even I am boggled that from where are you getting all of this observation and all of these humor from. Anyway, you are a great chef, again a quality which is not unknown to people here, and apart from that, you're great fun to be around. You, if at all I have to remember your face is always laughing, you are laughing always, you're smiling always, and that is how almost all of us remember you, and that's the kind of vibe we would want you to maintain throughout your life. And enjoy your day, enjoy this day to the fullest. And I know we aren't there around, but whenever we are back together, whenever we meet each other, we're definitely going to have a blast. So once again, many, many happy returns of the day, and stay blessed and stay safe. Oh, many, many happy returns of the day, Varun. When it comes to you, I really don't know what to say to you, because I have told you almost everything. So yeah, this wish is just going to be a birthday wish, that happy birthday, many, many happy returns of the day once again. And I don't want to say anything. So yeah, because I've said almost everything to you. So, but there is something else which other people might not know, which only I know, and that is a little bit of something which I'm going to share. So yeah, guys, have a look. And again, stay safe, many, many happy returns of the day, and anyway we are meeting tomorrow, so we'll meet. Bye. ये आप देख रहे हैं वेलापन इंसान से क्या क्या नहीं करवाता.
जिंदगी लंबी नहीं बड़ी होनी चाहिए बाबू मोशाय.
Happy birthday, Varun. You are the only one to whom I can say wish you the same on this day. Hope this day brings you all happiness and health. Enjoy your day. Bye. Once again, happy birthday.
Hi Suru, happy birthday to you. It is so amazing to share your birthday with someone and someone especially you. You and I really connect on some extraordinary level. Together we are like some unbeatable gang or something. More than that, our wavelengths match, which was quite so evident in the projects we did, dude. Like we were the best, I must say. I love the fact that you're open to new experiences. Like our wine tastings, even though you have a strict policy which is saving you and none of us from alcoholism, like you have got some sense of determination. I must say you have this amazing zest for life which is very evident from your love of traveling, making new friends, and of course cooking. You are my go-to person for recipes and they turn out to be brilliant just like you. You are this amazing motivator as well. Considering that you worked with the lazy as Chandrima on your dissertation. Kudos to you. Unfortunately, some people are incorrigible without taking any names. You had become my source of constant motivation when it came to going to the gym and working out. I'm still so motivated that I'm exercising every day. All thanks to you. You are one of my most amazing friends that I met at Soil, and more than that, an amazing birthday twin. And I wish you to explore all the tastes of life and emerge wiser and better and victorious. Always. Happy birthday.